Okay, Misty.
Oh my gosh, hi.
We found a dress that we agree on.
My name is Misty. I'm 24 years old. I work for a cosmetic company in direct sales, and I recently got engaged a few months ago, and within the first 2 weeks, I pretty much had everything planned, except finding my dress.
What's your budget?
$2,500.
Okay, great. So what are you looking for today?
I'm not exactly sure. That's why I need help.
Great.
I kind of know what I don't like.
Okay, so let's start with that. What don't you like?
I don't like a lot of poof.
Okay, good. What?
Not all lace, but like some sort of lace.
Misty and her mother are not remotely the same when it comes to style.
I like bling, even though she doesn't.
She's so pretty, I don't think she needs all that extra bling on her dress. I think she can just pull off a nice, simple dress.
Okay, so I brought some dresses. This is just a first pull. I want to get your sense of how you're feeling about these sorts of dresses.
Okay.
And dresses in general.
Do you mind if I see that ring?
Oh, sure.
Oh, awesome.
So sparkly, obviously you can notice. My fiance had to get it custom made. I was born early, but all my fingers were basically like together. So I had multiple skin graft surgeries growing up. They don't really know why, it's always a mystery. They think that my mom had a virus, like in early pregnancy. I got made fun of it as a kid a lot, and because of the multiple surgeries, I was like always inside. I couldn't go swimming and whatnot, so.
Misty was taunted in school. The kids would tease her. They used to call her like Misty No Fingers, and it's heartbreaking.
I hate feeling like anything's holding me back, especially something like my fingers. It's like, if you can do it, just go do it. If you want to do something, try it at least.
I can't wait to find you a dress.
I'll tell you, with this dress, the main thing is it looks like a duvet.
I think it could be a little more blingy at the top.
Yeah.
When it comes to bling, more is preferred to less.
I like this, but I could handle more.
Okay.
Yeah. I know you won't like it, but.
Yeah, I'm more plain Jane.
My mom wants like no bling. Deborah wants lots of bling, but I want lots of bling as well, and this dress wasn't blingy enough for me.
She wanted her in a short dress. That's never happening.
Really?
And she wanted my budget $500, which also clearly is not happening.
Well, less dress, less money. That makes sense.
I feel like my mom and my boss are definitely gonna disagree on a lot of these dresses.
What do you think?
I like this one a lot better. It's not so heavy. I like the bling.
This dress can really divide an entourage. The rope shoulder detail can be one bride's dream and one bride's nightmare.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah. Wow.
I think the rope looks like a snake.
I don't know how I like this. Like, it's just different. I didn't think I would want, like, if it's too busy or not. I don't think this is a contender. There's elements of it that I like, but it's not gonna be exactly what I'm looking for.
Like, I'm not crazy over it, but you could pull it off.
Yeah. Not what your picture.
What was that last noise again?
If I don't love this dress that Misty picks out today, she'll just be so upset with me, and it's just going to be bad.
Mom and honorary mom are now strolling through the store looking for a dress for Misty to try on, and this strikes me as something very dangerous.
When she first told me that she was engaged, I said, oh, you can wear my wedding dress.
She actually said to me, I think Misty should wear my dress from 25 years ago that she spent $500 on. I mean, seriously? Do you know who this person is?
I think that's kind of pretty. I kind of like that one.
That's hysterical that you like this.
I know.
From slinky and
To
simple
absolutely nothing.
to nothing that you said.
I mean, she's her little girl, but I think we bonded together on a princess moment, and it was crazy.
And it's
I
all
can't
hidden
believe
at the
we're
back.
agreeing on this, Kathleen.
Finally we agree
Oh
on
my
something.
gosh.
And this is better, right? Like, right now.
This is way better,
I've
yeah.
got the hoop skirt folded over and twisted.
okay, Misty.
Oh my gosh, hi.
We have found
We
the
found a dress that
perfect
we
dress
agree
for
on.
you.
With the feathers?
We both
Seriously,
love
we
this.
both
love
Really?
this dress. It's a completely different silhouette than what you were looking at.
Okay. I do not want to try on that dress that they brought in. All I could think about was like my wedding day having little feathers everywhere.
Can you believe we agreed?
Yeah, that's kind of shocking.
This is outside everyone's original vision. And if Misty tries it on, she'll only be doing it to make them happy, and that's not helping us get closer to finding a perfect dress. But back to this dress.
But yeah, I like this one more. It's enough bling for me for sure.
Okay, well, we finally got enough bling.
Yes.
So that's pretty good. Okay, let's go for a stroll.
Okay. This dress has way too much bling for it. My mom, she's gonna probably not like it at all.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Dress number 3 is blingy.
I'm really worried that Misty's mother might talk her out of the dress and think it's too blingy.
And I've completely done a turnaround from wanting plain.
My mom likes bling now. Who knew?
Because when you came out, it was like, no, just so pretty.
Aw, thank you. Like the bling now?
The reaction.
I'm aboard the bling train now. I just want Misty to be happy, and I want her to look great on her wedding day.
Gosh.
I'm crying now.
Yes, this is it.
It's like you get those butterflies and you just kind of know it.
When it's right, it's right.
Is this your perfect dress?
Yes, it is.
And the fact that it converted your mother.
I know. We have a bling convert.
I mean, it's not.
We don't
it's
want
not-
any bling.
Right. It is not even a little bit of bling.
It's a lot
like,
of bling.
whoa,
It's like all
okay.
bling.
So this is your wedding dress.
I think so.